Hi, today I've heard of new Nokia C31 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the app and then drag this application to another one. So by this way we can create a new home screen folder. Just to add here more applications, you should just by the same way hold the application and drag it to the folder. If you want to rename it, just click to edit name and enter the new one, for example the apps. To move this folder here on the home screen or just between the screens, we should just hold the folder and drag it to the left or to the right side. If you want to remove the folder for the application from the home screen, hold it and drag it to the home screen. If you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.